Assalamualaikum, this is MD Nuruddin Islam and welcome back to another brand new video. Samsung officially launched a flagship smartphone in their Flip series, which is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 smartphone. At first, if I would like to talk about the highlighted features of this smartphone, then the smartphone has dual display, powerful chipset and also attractive design. If you would like to purchase the smartphone, then I will provide a link in the description of this video. You can check it out. So without wasting any more time, let's get started the video. At first, if I would like to talk about the design of this smartphone, then you can see the design of this smartphone is so much attractive. The front panel of this smartphone has plastic and the back panel of this smartphone made by glass, as well as the frame of this smartphone has aluminium. That is the Philip smartphone. That is why we can guess this smartphone could be something heavy. But the weight of this smartphone is 187 grams, which is so much incredible for the premium smartphone. And also the smartphone has IP48 water resistant. We can purchase this smartphone by several colors, such as yellow, blue, black, white and so on. At the rear camera section of this smartphone has dual camera setup. So for the Flip series smartphone, the design of this smartphone was so much interesting to me. Then secondly, if I would like to talk about the display of this smartphone. Before starting the video, I was mentioned that the smartphone has dual display. Their first display is 6.7 inches LTPO AMOLED 2X display, which display is supporting 120Hz higher refresh rate, and also the peak brightness of the display is 2600 nits, which is so much incredible. For the higher peak brightness, you can use this smartphone under the sun without any kind of problem. The display also has Full HD Plus resolution, and cover display of this smartphone has 3.4 inches Super AMOLED panel, which display is supporting HD Plus resolution. But here you cannot see any kind of Full HD Plus resolution. The peak brightness of the cover display is 1600 nits. Right now, if I would like to talk about the camera of this smartphone, then the smartphone has dual camera setup. Their first one is 50 megapixel, second one is 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. By the rear camera, you can make a video with 4K resolution. As well as the rear camera section of the smartphone has OIS, that's mean optical image stabilization. As a selfie camera, you will find only 10 megapixel wide sensor. By the selfie camera, you can make a video with 4K resolution, but here you cannot see any kind of OIS or EIS stabilization. Performance section of the smartphone has One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. As a chipset, Samsung used here Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, which is 4nm chipset. And you all know this is one of the powerful chipset. That is why whenever you will try to play any kind of games by the smartphone, that time this chipset can give you a strong performance at the gaming sector. You can purchase this smartphone 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, as well as 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. You can use here only 2 SIM cards, but here you cannot use any kind of microSD slot. The storage type of this smartphone is UFS 4.0, which is so much incredible. Right now, if I would like to talk about the battery of this smartphone, the smartphone has 4000 mAh battery. If you would like to charge the battery, then this smartphone will support 25W charger. By the charger, you can charge your phone 0% to 50% within 30 minutes. And this smartphone is supporting 15W wireless charger. As a feature, you will find side-mounted fingerprint here, but you cannot see any kind of 3.5mm audio jack. And also this smartphone is supporting Bluetooth, NFC, Wi-Fi and everything. Last part of this smartphone, which is price. The price of this smartphone is $1099.99 in Amazon, and also it is starting with €899. So in this budget segment, if you would like to get a great smartphone and also you would like to purchase an attractive Philips smartphone, then you can pick the smartphone. So that was our today's video. I think this video will help you to learn something about the smartphone. If you would like to purchase the smartphone, then I will provide a link in the description or comment box. You can check it out. If you are a tech lover, then you can subscribe my channel. See you with a brand new video.